So, what is an operational amplifier? What are its distinctive features and peculiarities of its use? Generally speaking, it is much easier to treat it as a sort of black box with all the characteristics of an ideal operational amplifier. But still it is necessary to know its internal structure and operational principles in order to avoid the problems associated with its circuitry. Structures of various operational amplifiers differ from each other, but still are based on the same principle. Operational amplifiers consist of the following functional blocks. Differential amplifier, which provides amplification at low noise level and has a high input resistance. Usually it has a differential output. Voltage amplifier has a high voltage gain factor. Amplitude frequency characteristic drop is similar to that of a unipolar low-pass filter. It usually has a single output. Output amplifier provides a high current output capacity, low output resistance, the limiting of output current and low short-circuit protection. The differential amplifier is an electronic amplifier with two inputs, the output of which is equal to a difference of input voltages multiplied by a constant. On a physical layout, operational amplifier is usually depicted as follows. As we can see, the operational amplifier has two inputs, inverting and non-inverting, and one output. It's natural that a real operational amplifier has more output terminals, at least by the number of output leads. But we are not interested in this now. If we feed a signal to the inverting input, at the output we'll get the inverted or mirrored signal, i.e. 180 degrees phase shifted. If we feed a signal to a non-inverting input, we'll obtain a phase-continuous signal. Operational amplifiers are used due to the following properties: very high input resistance, very high gain factor, 10,000 and higher, and very low output impedance. There are more than a dozen of typical layouts of inclusion operational amplifiers, each of which has its own characteristics, for example, a comparator, an inverting or a non-inverting amplifier, or a frequency filter.